Creating renders in BNP AI is quick and simple using the text tool. Select the text tool from the top menu to open the workspace. On the left side, you'll see the input section where you can type a prompt like Modern 3D Architectural Luxury House, Cinematic Exterior Render. You can also add a reference using the Insert Image option. Next, choose the size option and select the aspect ratio that fits your project. Once everything is ready, click Generate. In a few seconds, your render appears on the screen, ready to view. You can also make changes using the Insert Image option by uploading a render from History. Here, I'm selecting the render from History. Then I update the prompt to Luxury Modern House at Sunset, Poolside View, Warm Lights, Cinematic 3D Render. Click Generate again to create a new version with the updated changes. With BNP AI, creating and improving your renders becomes simple and easy.